Envision IT is mainly a software company, just like NavVis. But and our goal is to try to make a cognitive digital twin. Why are we having NavVis VLX scanners? Yes, we do, because we need to have quality data. We are a startup and started for about 12 months ago, and we mainly work with two pilot projects. One with the municipality of Sogndal kommune in Norway, and we're just about to step up to another potential pilot project with the region of Møre og Romsdal fylkeskommune in Norway. So, and we will of course use the VLXs for scanning buildings there. Yes. I would also like to add a fun fact that we are a team of 3, and for just some months ago we were just a team of 2, and when we were 2 we had 1 VLX per person in the team. So and I suppose that's the best ratio in the world.
The benefits about the VLX is quite obvious regarding the efficiency of the VLX. It's very efficient, it's easy to use. It means that as a company we can hire in part-time students, we can hire in part-time employee. They don't need to be educated surveyors. So and it's also very accurate according to the time that you spend using scanning. So the easy to use, the efficiency, and the acquirement, or the, what do you call it? The accuracy. We have 2 devices for a 3-man team, and it's all about capturing most data in the shortest amount of time, and also about the geographical in Norway, that we don't have to drive long distances to exchange the scanner, but that we can have the scanners in different locations. So that's the main reason why we have 2 VLXs.
Why we choose the NavVis VLX is because the way NavVis met us when we first made contact, and they've been terrific from day one, and really we had a feeling that they would like to help us. And even before we bought the VLX, and after we got the first VLX, we had a terrific support.
The Ivion is quite superb compared to other scanning deliveries, because I guess that most delivery or suppliers of scanners, I think they see their own as a hardware company, and it really reflects on the NavVis that they reflect themselves as a software company, and also reflects on the Ivion. The use is very easy. It's very intuitive. It's one of the most automatically processed that we have been involved in. So and the result that you get is really usable for the customer. The end customer gets something that's usable the day after you have scanned, and they have the opportunity. We have the opportunity to share. We have the opportunity to view just the point cloud and also the picture. And the all overlook is what kind of data do we capture and how is it used, and that's our main focus. And since NavVis has the same focus, we have a product already to show the customer and to use.